there friends, Scientist Royce here, and I'm going to talk to you today about strange and interesting science you can find in our Weird and Wacky Science class. Now, this is the type of science that can mess with your brain, make your eyes think that they are playing tricks on you, and make the words ooh and ah escape out of your mouth from excitement. In this class, you get to take a journey through a multiverse of different scientific discoveries. And why not? Because science is amazing. Here, you get to conduct experiments by learning how the invisible forces of gravity affect different things around you. You can create static electricity with nothing but a balloon and a hair comb, and even learn how to wrangle an ice cube. I think the best way to show off the weird and wacky is to do a demonstration. Let's see if we can do something super easy and pop a bag full of water. We're going to see what happens when I take a pencil and stab it through this plastic bag full of water. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. What happened? So, why did the bag not burst? Now, the bag doesn't leak because it's made of a polymer, a flexible, long chain of molecules. Now, when you poke the pencil through the bag, the molecules spread apart and then seal themselves right around that pencil. So, I would say this is a success. Woohoo! Go me! Now, as you can see, Weird and Wacky is very hands-on, and students can learn how to make their own slime, grow their own crystals, move and bend light, and so much more. So make sure to bring those questions, be ready to work to find the answers, and always remain curious.